Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and save images from Google to Gallery. What you need to do, first I need to go to Google and then you type the image that you are looking for example car, and then I click image. And I choose this one. I click here. And then right click. And then I click save image as. Then I just want to be sure that it will be saved on the desktop, and I can change the file name or just I keep this name. For example, if I wanted to change the name, I can give it name new car and then click save. Now it's already saved in the desktop. This is what you need to do. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, any idea, any suggestions, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.